Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box, the Technical Trader at TechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, May the 13th. These are the charts of the day. Very strong day on Wall Street today. Markets closed near the highs for the day. Well, it did back off late in the session, but it was a powerful day. We have a lot of stocks to show you today. Let's take a look at ACHR, which after a downtrend reversed last month and consolidated, and then the last couple of days it moved up, but today it spiked from 908 to 1152. It finished 1111. That was up 203 or 22%. 93.9 million. Biggest volume ever traded on an update since the stock has been public, and that's a good sign we wants to go higher. My near-term target is about 12.5 3/4. Beyond that, it can go into the mid-teens. CLS, after coming down and reversing, forming a V-bottom with a platform, today spiked and broke through resistance to a 2.5-month high, jumping from 97.86 to 112 and finishing about 110.5 up 10.18, a 10% gain on volume of 6.6 million, one of the better volumes of the month. It looks like the next target is 117.20 range, and then beyond that, we'll see, 130. CONL, downtrend, reversal, platform, breakout, and moving averages crossed over. As you can see, the volume was huge on the breakaway gap today. I think the stock goes further. Next target would be around 32. We'll see where it goes after that. Excuse me, CRW reversed from after the IPO spike and then pullback. We put a swing on it in the 40 range, I believe it was, and then it ran and has gone from 40 to 65 in a very short period of time. Great swing, but it's at resistance. I would recommend taking profits up here. FSLR, what a fantastic 4 or 5 days this has had, moving from 127 to 195. Today's volume of 21 million is huge for that stock. As you can see, the stock came through its declining tops line and took out all the resistance. I can see it following through to about 210 in this move. HCWB with a spike up and a blowout on 50 million shares jumped 112% at 1105 up 584. However, the high was 6 points higher at 1780. We'll see where it goes from here. HIMS right back up near the high from February has recovered from the mid-20s to the mid-60s. What a move just in a month. A little extended, much like a couple of the other stocks we showed you. So we'll see where this market wants to take these stocks. ICCT with an explosive move out of a falling wedge that took about 5 weeks to develop, jumped on 102 million shares. Closed at 232 up 86 cents at 59% move. It was much higher at 430 intraday. Now lead 4 4.25 is your next target. Lunar broke out of a 2-month base, spiked up on 38 million shares. Went from 912 to 1280. Finished 1157 up 207, 22%. Extension target 17. MVST inverse head and shoulder breakout of the neckline today. I'm looking for extension to 5. NVDL and NVDX, both of these stocks, which are NVIDIA ETFs, spiked up in volume today. This trade, the NVDL, our favorite, 37.2 million, jumping 6 points or 13.5%. Extension target would be low 60s, 70. OKLO inverse head and shoulders as well. This one broke out today and volume was 25.4 million. If we can get above here, we should make a move towards 40. ONON, after a downtrend and a massive reversal to a little bit of a pullback, since that point at 40.30, it's gone to 58. 18 points in about 3 weeks. Big volume today. Extension target 63. PLTU, one of our swing trades, one of my favorites right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave underway, may reach 73 and equal the February high. SMR in the nuclear energy group, along with OKLO, broke through key resistance today, and it did it with big volume of 25.7 million. My target now is 27 and 31. And finally, Tempest AI, inverse head and shoulder type pattern, broke out a 2-day stall. Today popped up on volume of 22.8 million and jumped another 10%. My extension targets are 81 on this one. And that's it for tonight. Hot charts at TechTrader.com. Bye, everybody.